Hey, thanks for downloading SAFe Product Owner Product Manager Certification Training Program brochure. You should receive your course brochure in next 5 minutes in your inbox. If you haven't already downloaded it, feel free to download it now by following link mentioned below. The SAFe Product Owner Product Manager Certification Training Program helps business analysts, project managers, senior team members, team leaders, as well as aspiring product owners to gain 100% confidence to perform role of a product owner, product manager on a daily basis. This course has been divided into three phases. Phase 1, Foundation. In Foundation phase, you are going to explore responsibilities of product owner and product manager. So what is role of a product owner and product manager? What are the day-to-day activities expected to be done by this role? This is something which will be covered in lesson 1. Lesson 2, Lean Agile Mindset for Decision Making. Product owner, product manager is supposed to act as a voice of customer, supposed to act as a voice of business. In fact, if you want to put it in a simple word, product owner is a business person. And as a part of this role, you have to be someone who can make right decision at the right time for a right product or solution outcome. So we are going to explore in lesson 2 what kind of lean agile mindset, principles, practices, values need to be embraced by product owner, product manager while playing that role. Next lesson in this phase is value stream and agile teams. When you talk about agile landscape, agile enterprise, here you expect that there's a value stream, and using value stream, you are going to work or contribute within that value stream to deliver product, solution, or service which your customer is looking for. And the way you do it is by supporting agile teams who are working together to produce that increment of value in terms of solution or product. So in this lesson 3, you are going to understand big picture. You are going to find out what is the value stream, who is involved in that value stream, what activities are done, and how agile team fit within that big picture. Once we are done with the foundation phase, we'll move into phase 2, advance. In advanced phase, the first lesson is product and solution roadmap creation. As a product owner or product manager, you need to have a vision for your product and solution. You need to understand, you need to find out how that product is going to solve problems which are faced by the customers, or how that product is going to make customers' life better through features, capabilities which will be delivered in future. So product vision, product roadmap creation is something which will be explored in lesson 4. Lesson 5 is all about customer centricity, human-centered design thinking, whole product thinking. In this lesson, we'll explore different techniques, different tools and practices which will help you as a product owner to gain deep understanding of what customers are feeling, what customers are thinking, what kind of things are going to make customers' life better, what kind of pain points or gains customers are seeking. So this lesson will equip you with several tools, techniques, which will help you better understand what is the right product to build in which market and when. Once you have gained that understanding of customer and value which customer is seeking for in terms of products and features, then we'll look into lesson 6, which is product backlog refinement. One of the topmost priority of product owner is to refine product backlog. What is a product backlog? Product backlog consists of different items, different things, features, capabilities, which your customer is looking for in your product or solution. So in this lesson, you will understand how you can slice that big chunk of work into small pieces and then incrementally deliver that value to your customer. How you can think big, but start small. What kind of slicing techniques you can apply, how you can have enough details within your backlog items, such as stories, epics, features, which will help your team members to connect with that wider goal, bigger goal, and understand why we are doing certain things, what are the expectations, what is the benefit we are going to deliver. So once we have gone through phase 2, we'll commence or continue our journey in expert phase, phase 3. Here, you will build on top of whatever tools, techniques, and skills you have learned so far. So lesson 7 is estimation and prioritization. It's $1 million question when. So even if you are a product owner or sponsor or someone who is going to support team throughout the journey, always there will be stakeholders, there will be business sponsors who are keen to understand how much we need to invest. invest in, how long it's going to take. So lesson 7 will help you to understand different estimation techniques. As a product owner, product manager, how you can leverage those techniques when it comes to estimating cost of your product backlog or product items. How to prioritize different ideas. And that's the dilemma faced by all product owners or business owners. How to prioritize one thing over another thing. When you are acting as an entrepreneur, when you are acting as someone who owns the creation of a product, it becomes quite difficult to select one thing over another. And there are different forces which try to influence your decision making. So in this lesson 7, we'll find out what are the anti-patterns of prioritization, how we can step away from just what someone is saying or what someone is thinking to more systematic scientific approach of prioritization. So you'll see different techniques in this particular lesson when it comes to prioritizing work against each other. After we have gone through this, in lesson 8, we will explore how does product owners' day-to-day life look like when it comes to supporting agile teams. For agile teams, product owner is a face of customer, product owner is a face of business. So you need to be with the teams, you need to be supporting, guiding, helping teams to deliver better product. So we'll explore what kind of things you can expect in your day-to-day life, working life, and how as a leader you can support team to deliver or to create a high value work item. Once you have gone through lesson 8, then in the last lesson, which is continuous delivery and release on demand, we'll understand that as a product owner, how you can continuously explore, continuously refine, and find out ways through which you can leverage different opportunity to deliver things to customer quickly. It might be looking at opportunities, innovative ideas through which you can meet customer demand faster than your competitor. So we'll explore that as well as another advanced topic, which is releasing on demand. So even if you are ready with your product, you might not want to launch it unless it's a right condition in the market. Just to give example, if you are trying to launch something which will be used during festive season, during Christmas, you don't want to launch it before Christmas or after Christmas. You might want to launch it in November, December, when there's a peak demand for that type of products. So how you can support teams to continuously deliver at the same time have ability where you will release on demand based on the market conditions. So that's overview of 9 steps, 3 phases of safe product owner, product manager program. If you are interested, curious, and keen to explore this area and want to pursue career as a product owner, product manager, or even if you are working in an organization and represent business interest, customer interest, and want to explore this as a skill, feel free to reach out to us, or feel free to register to this course by referring link mentioned below. If you are still not clear, if you want to get more expertise, more understanding about this, feel free to reach out to us on phone number. You can call us on +1 509 654 9905, or alternatively, you can WhatsApp or Telegram us on +61 451 811 164. One of our Agility Academy expert consultant will reach out to you and help you understand what should be your next step. We are looking forward to help you, support you to achieve your career goals and be part of your journey. Thank you.